concert in Music Museum. For me, I guess I'd wanna, after that, sobrang akong thankful, of course. I'd wanna make more music na siguro mas makakanta ko pa po. And you know, to be able to do that would be a blessing. No? That's something that of course, it's a dream na gusto kong maabot po someday. But there's still a lot of things to do. There's still a lot of things that I need to learn, and I need to, I guess, I'm gonna actually do 2 movies very, very soon. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back to acting, a little bit of acting, but I'm not gonna give up my music for sure.
Can you tell us some details about the 2 projects? Sino leading lady mo?
Well, I can talk about that. One is on Star Cinema, and then actually we're reading the scripts right now. We're just checking which ones we're gonna do. But we're definitely doing 2 movies, and we actually met with the producers the other day, the people behind it, and I'm excited. Of course, I think I could say that it's. I'm not sure what details I can talk about.
Si Maris, makakapareha mo?
I'm sure it is.
Ay, Maris!
Thank you, Nigo. Last na lang total naman kanina pa pinag-uusapan yung tao sa Cornerstone. Pwede ba matanong yung big man, the man behind Cornerstone?
Mr. Aaron himself.
Kasi meron umuwi daw na balita.
Baka naman gawa-gawa mo lang.
So, Cornerstone, Cornerstone lang, tsaka Springfields. Thank you.
Thank you, Erickson.
Tapos sabi nila, baka naman GM Artist Center lang yung mamanage niya. Okay. I have a question for the 2 songwriters. Talagang certified na gustong magsulat, I'm here, magsulat ng music.
Sobrang happy
kasi
po.
Kasi nag-mentor ka na ngayon, di ba? So,
medyo po, pero recently nga, dahil may, alam ba nila na may ginagawang studio eh. May studio tayong ginagawa.
Well, actually, before lang siya sumagot, meron kasi kaming bagong project ni Erickson, yung studio namin. We call it Cornerstone Studio, which will be ready by April. And we just announced lang that we're going to have an acting workshop, Cornerstone Acting Workshop. And nagkukwentuhan lang kami ni Yeng kasi
ayun nga, sabi ko, narinig ko yun, ang ganda naman ng ganong project. Pwede niyo ba kaming gawa ng gano'n ni Moira? Na pwede kaming magturo kung paano magsulat ng
songwriting workshop.
Songwriting workshop. Sobrang...
Ang galing ko mag-isip na tanong ko ngayong gabi, ha?
Oo nga, buti nilang niyo po kasi nga napagkukwentuhan po namin yun. And, ayun, ako...
Hindi ko rin pala, sorry, oo. Yung reaction. Ang dami na pala.
Ang dami kami actually songwriters sa Cornerstone. Ano nga po ulit yung tanong?
Anong pwede mong, yan na nga pala, so, magbe-mentor ka na, sa mga gusto mag-compose ng music, magsulat ng music, anong pwede mong mai-advise sa kanila? Ang dami-dami nila ngayon.
Kailangan lang, I think kailangan po talaga na kilala mo yung sarili mo.
Pag hindi kilala, na-change ka lang.
Hindi, mahirap kasi like, pwede kasi na...
Ang tawa ng tawa.
Mahirap po talaga katabi po kasi ang katabi po ako sa buhay ko.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi kilala mo dapat yung sarili mo. Alam mo kung ano yung trigger mo, paano ka nakakasulat ng kanta. Kasi lahat ng mga songwriters ay magkakaiba ang trigger. Like, ako po, pag talagang very emotional po ako eh. If I feel something, pag may na-experience ako na extreme, dun talaga may lumalabas na melody, narinig ko na agad, magkasabay yung letra and yung melody na...
Instantly, music and...
Yun yung, ganun yung trigger ko. So, the main thing is you have to know who you are. Paano mo malalaman kung sino ka? Kailangan mong mag-try ng iba't ibang klaseng methods hanggang sa mahanap mo talaga kung ano yung core mo. Pag nahanap mo yun,
do we look forward to hearing your new songs, Miss Yeng, in the next coming months?
Ay, naku, excited po ako dahil bago akong album na papalabas ngayon. Sobrang...
May kwento? Kailan? Saan?
Yung exclusive listening session po will be sa Cornerstone Studio po namin. And sa March 14 po yan, pumili po kami ng mga artists and mga tao na invited talaga na gusto ko lang iparinig. Gusto ko lang i-share yung bagong journey ko with this album. Ang title po ng aking album is Synesthesia. So, it's
ulit?
Synesthesia po. Synesthesia. So, yun yung bagay na meron po ako na na-discover ko for the past 3 years na hindi po ako sumusulat ng kanta. Meron pala akong ganong brain condition, I think. Na, ayan. Pag nakakarinig ka ng, siguro in a layman's term po, pag nakakarinig po ako ng music, nakakita ko ng kulay, pag kumakain ako ng pagkain, nakakita ako ng kulay lagi. So, yung senses ko nagme-mix. So, ganun din po ako as a songwriter pag kumakanta ako. May nakikita akong colors. And hindi ko po siya usually sinasabi sa ibang tao kasi akala ko normal lang yun. And yun nga, 3 years ago, na-discover ko,
paano mo nalaman sa gift?
Nalaman ko nung nag-date po kami niyan. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, yung kinakain namin, kulay dark purple. Kaya natawa nga ako kay Janina kanina.
Pero hindi.
Hindi, parang ganun yung feeling. Ganun, while I'm eating. It's color dark purple.
Parang maubi yung kinakain.
Hindi po. Actually, hindi. Tapos sabi niyan sa akin, love, baka may synesthesia ka. So, kung ano yun? Tapos sinerch ko sa Google. Yun pala yung meron ako. So, yun po yung album ko ngayon na papalabas. And I'm excited po na ibahagi yan sa inyong lahat.
Kailan ulit?
March 14 po yung listening session. Tapos, March 16 po yung pinaka-launch po niya. So, abangan niyo po yan.
Okay. Inigo, ikaw nagsusulat ka rin. So, what do you have to say sa mga baguhan?
Ako rin naman po baguhan din po sa pagsusulat. Actually, hindi ko in-expect or ever naisip na yung mga masusulat ko na dati nung nasa school pa lang ako ay magiging songs ko na ngayon. Hindi ko talaga in-expect. Like, Fallen, one of the songs that I wrote in my album, I wrote that when I was in 7th grade. I don't know, tipong I was listening to music and I was inspired. Siguro, it really, yung ano man napapakinggan mo ngayon, kunyari, I was into country music, kunyari, I was into pop music at the time. My music would somehow turn into that. You know, parang depende sa pinapakinggan mo rin, depende sa kung sino ka. So I guess it really shows just who you are, and I guess masasabi ko lang, just write whatever you feel. And don't underestimate whatever you have in front of you, because you never know if it might just turn into a diet. So, you know, I never expected that. Wow. So, I mean, I didn't see that coming. And you know, it's just really try, and you just don't know what will be given to you.
All right, thank you, Moira. Paano mo i-inspire